I'm Vicky, your English teacher. Today I want to teach you three modal verbs, which is should have, would have, and could have. First of all, I'll give you a brief history of all of these three modal verbs. Should have, it's for regression, like for regret, for objection, or for inquiry. If you are talking about someone that you should do this because you should have done this, but you didn't. So you are just objecting him, or you are regretting for something, you are repenting, you are sorry for something was supposed to do, but it didn't. Okay, or you are inquiring someone. For example, you are saying to someone that you should have gone to the office earlier, but why were you late? Not why was you. Why were? Because we put here were. Why were you late? Now you are inquiring someone because he was supposed to reach to the office at the time, but he is late. So you can say that you should have gone to the office, but why were you late? This is inquiry. And I should have gone to the party, but I was late. There is a regret. I'm just regretting, I'm sorry because I just missed the party. Okay, the other one is could have. Now, could, should is the second form generally of shall. Could is the second form of can. We use could for possibility, for your possibility of doing something. It's the second form of can, but if we are talking polite English, we use this in the present shape. That could you tell me something about this hotel? Could you give me some information about the flight taking off time, or this kind of things? So now here is possibility. Could have for possibility, or could not have, or couldn't have. Could have is the positive, could not have is the negative of the could have. So how can we use this in a sentence? You could have gone earlier to catch the bus to your university. I could have teach you if I had free time. You could have written the things clearly in order to make the reader to understand what did you write. So, or what you wrote. This is the possibility. Or you could have climbed the tree if you worked hard. That's okay. The other one is would have. Would is the second form of will. Sometimes we use only would for being more polite. Would you like to have a cup of tea with me? Would you like to have a seat here, etc. But would have is past conditional. If we are talking about something happened in the past against the reality, so we put would have. Okay, have like if he had money, he would have bought a new car. If he had worked hard, he would have passed the exam. If he had listened his elders, he would have not be failed in any field of the life. Means if someone is acting upon the advices of his elders, so he is always successful anywhere in any field of the life. So, like it's very easier. Should have in the past, would have again the past, could have again the past. Should is the second form of shall, would second form of will, could second form of can. They are the modal verbs, but with have and third form of the verb, but there is a little bit differences in the usage. Would have, should have is for, as I said, for regret. You are just repenting or regretting, you are sorry for something you didn't do. Objection, you can object someone with should have. If someone says to you that he just missed the train, you can say you should have gone earlier. So you are criticizing him that he was late, that's why he just lost the train. And inquiry, that's okay. Thank you very much.